Hello. I've got another unboxing for you today. It is a floor lamp, as you can see. It is the AUKEY, A-U-K-E-Y, LED floor lamp, tall reading lamp with touch control, standing lamp with flexible gooseneck adjustable brightness, diffuser lighting for living room, bedroom, and office. Right now it's $39.99, prime shipping on Amazon. It was wrapped in plastic, actually. But I took it off just to make it a little easier, of course, for the video. Everything else is actually still sealed inside here. And this is just going to be a straight unboxing because I don't know about putting it together on video because it's a floor lamp. It's rather large. 6.5 watt. It is LED, of course. 290 lumens at 6.5 watt. Natural white light. Here's our power supply. Very small little wall wart, as it were, if you want to call it. Taped up, packaged fairly well. Protected here with some cardboard. Let's see. What's in this little box? Oh, what's that? AUKEY warranty. Thank you for choosing. Thank you for using AUKEY. Your key to friendly, responsive service. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. So, oh, this is the base, apparently. So this part is the base. That would be my alarm. That cat meowing going off there. The chime. If you heard that or not. That means it's 2 o'clock. Anyway, here, let's see. So, let's get this out. Here is the base. I mean, it's metal. Solid metal. It's heavy, but not very thick. These are nice big rubber feet, actually. Here is the power cord, which connects to our adapter, like so. Very simple. And it's nice, actually, because there's no, you can just, move it any which way you want to, whichever way your plug would be, compared to where you're going to set your lamp at. And this does not actually come out. I mean, you could take the nut off of that, and it will come out. Let's get this open here. I don't want to cut the wire. Not the best idea here to have this wire like this, but I guess whatever, right? That's it. Okay. Here is the sections of the lamp. Oh wow, cool. They're all little sections there. But here is this. Let's do this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 in the main section. It's very similar to the other AUKEY lamp, desk lamp that I reviewed not long ago. Maybe about a year ago or so, I don't know. Somewhere around that. Let me see here. It is full control. So you must press the touch button to switch the light on or off. Long press to select the intensity. It also has a lighting memory function as well, so it knows what mode you were in last. But now let's check this out here real quick. Here's our button here on the side here. It's on the top. This would be the whole lamp section, by the way. But yeah, you push this on, and that would turn it on, and it bends like so, kind of the gooseneck there, and you could turn it right and left, of course. But to put it together, of course, we would, these get pushed in and then turned to do that, but which I don't have enough room right here this second to do that here. But they are metal. The whole thing is metal with the last couple feet there have a rubberized coating on them. And inside you can feel it. It's like a gooseneck type of metal to keep it flexible. But that's about it here. I need to plug it in, put it together, plug it in, and hook it up and see how it is. But AUKEY floor lamp, LED floor lamp, which is kind of nice. I've always wanted one of these for my corner. I'm trying to move everything in my house over to LEDs. Everything except I think like 2 bulbs in the house are LEDs right now. But it's always nice to have extra to lights. But $39.99 Amazon. It seems quality made so far, for the most part. Let me test it out. I'll let you know how it is. Thanks.